Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore the settings section of the Shopify store. So this is how the dashboard of your Shopify store looks like. There in the bottom left corner, you can see the settings button. Just click on it and you will be redirected to the settings. Here there are so many options. We will go through them one by one. First, in the general setting, here you can see my store. Just click on it. From here you can set the name of your store, the email address and the phone number of your store. And after that you can see the store address. Here you can set the address of your store, the country address. After that you can see the currency display. Here by default Shopify automatically fetch the currency of the country that you have saved in the store address, and if you want to change it, you can also change it by just clicking on it and selecting the currency you want. There are a lot of options in the currency. And from here, you can select the weight of your product or the unit. It can be a kilogram or gram. You can set it afterwards too. And from here, the Shopify automatically fetch the time zone of your country. After that, in the plans option, you can see your current plan, and if you want to upgrade your plan or buy a new plan, you can buy it from here. And in the billing section you can see total bill of your Shopify store. Here in the payment section you can integrate your payment provider like PayPal or Razorpay. If you want any other, you can just edit from here, add payment method, and you can select from there if you want to integrate any other payment method, or if you want to activate the PayPal, you can just click over here. And if you want to integrate or enable the cash on delivery method of your store, you can just click on this manual payment method and just select the cash on delivery. And after that, just activate the cash on delivery. Now the cash on delivery method is activated on your Shopify store. After that, the checkout section. From here, you can customize your checkout page, but it is only possible if you have Shopify Plus. So after that, the customer account, you can see or manage the customer accounts from here. And after that, the taxes and duty. Here, by default, Shopify automatically fetch the taxes of the country that you have shaped in your Shopify store address. But if you want to manually add or change any add tax, you can just click on it and just change from here. After that, you can see the locations option here. From here, you can set the location. You can see the active locations in active location or the physical storefront, or you can add any location of your Shopify store or the physical storefront. After that, you can see the app section. From here, you can download app for your Shopify store, which will give you more functionality in your Shopify store. After that, you can see the domain. From here, you can add your own domain or change the domain of your Shopify store if you have purchased any domain, or if you want to buy a new domain, you can buy it from here too. You can connect any existing domain, or if you want to buy, you can buy a new domain. After that, in Metafields and Metaobjects, you can create Metafields or Metaobjects for templates of different pages here, so that you can dynamically give the data or dynamically take the data from for different products or different pages. And from in the language section, you can change the language of your store, or if you want to add a language, or if you want that your store should be in different language too, like in Hindi or any different language, French or German. So if you can just click on add language and you can just select the language, and for that you want a Shopify app too, so that it will be easy for the Shopify. So Shopify also suggests you an app which will help you to change the language of your Shopify store. And after that, you can see options like policies. From here, you can create the policy page or terms of service page and shipping policy page if you want. Thank you.